Hi everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to show you our new mini kit. It's called One of a Kind and it's the very last of our cute little platypus stamps that we had in this series, and I'm going to take you through what's in the kit. Okay, so first of all let's have a look. We've got the stamp here. So this is a stamp set, cute little platypuses, some cute sayings, it's your birthday, have fun, one of a kind and beautiful, and this one is a smile is a curve that sets everything straight. How cute. So cute stamp. We have got the laser cut, so the mini laser cut, which is these cute little waves, the mini cut apart sheet with lots of fun sayings on it, and instead of pattern paper this month we've got 2 little craft tags and 4 sheets of cardstock. So there's 2 of this brown and 2 of the ivory, and I'm trying to show you, it's kind of got like a ribbed texture. It's really cute, but it's not letting me. So there's that, and of course the magazine, which is full of great card making ideas. So that is what is in the kit. Let me show you the add-ons to the kit. So you of course can get the matching fussy cutting die, and you can get this sweet little stencil, and this here is the flower sprinkles. You can also add on extra of the fussy cutting sheet as well. And just so you know, so these are our other 2 platypus stamps. So these were all meant to be part of a big stamp and colour release back when COVID happened, and we had to split them down into these mini kits. So this is now the last of the stamps that all these 3 go perfectly well together. Let's take a look at some of the cards that the girls have made. So this is using that dot stencil as a background, the cute little platypus. So using some of the cute little rocks which were here on this one, which was the My Platypus one, so mixing and matching them. That's with our little 6 window frame. This is with that cut apart sheet, very cute, and again with the stencil and the laser cut. And so the girls have done a really good job. These are such cute cards and will just go so well with your other little platypuses that you have. So our mini kit is only $27. It's fantastic value. This stamp alone is going to set you back $24, and the laser cut $3 and so forth. So it is really good value to purchase it as a kit, and they're available now online at our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au, plus your local craft store will have them in stock coming on the 20th as well, so you can hit them up because our local stores are doing it really tough, so go there if you can. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.